Optic early bird break 29, 47 dice roll. 11 times teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 here, 11 here. Dolphins up top. Seahawks at the bottom. 11 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Brett Carmen up top. Ryan Chapman at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Dolphins didn't sort. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Here we go. Good luck. You guys take your squads, take your colors, break 2808. It's a pick your color break. There's only 5 spots left. We're going to run a filler on that next. Good luck on the Optic bird. Orange to start out. Miles Sanders on the orange and Naden Hutchinson. Sanders to 199 for the Eagles. What we got here? Christian Watson on the blue ice, white hot rookies to 15 for the Packers. Packers going to Brett Carmen. That's a big card. Nice hit, Brett. 6 out of 15 on the blue ice, white hot rookies. Nick Bonito. Marlon Humphrey, Brian Robinson. Light it up, Patty Mahomes and an Evan Neal. Woodson, Stafford, and a Chris Olave. It'll hit the screen next. Tremaine, it'll hit the screen next. Stafford at $2.99. Olave. David Ojabo to 35 and a Devontae Wyatt. Nice one for the Ravens on Ojabo. Ravens to Chris McKeefrey. 20 out of 35. Josh Paschal. We got electricity to 65. Cam Jordan for the Saints and a Trayvon Walker for the Jags. 10 out of 65 on Cam Jordan. Silver, Jalen Naylor, and a Ty Chandler. Vikings pack. Orange, Hollywood Brown, Easy E. Hollywood to 199. Sauce Gardner on the rookie for the Jets. Disco, Jerome Ford to 125 and Keontae Ingram. Brownies and Basso. 104 out of 125. Howie Long, Rashad White. Aqua, Kyron Williams, and a Kenny Pickett for the Steelers. Kyron to $2.99. Pickett on the rookie for the Steelers. Rising Suns, Patty Mahomes, Jahan Dotson. Silver Aziz, Fedarian Mathis. TDP for the Niners. To 125, Eli Manning and a Kevin Harris. $123 out of 125 on Eli. Got auto. Drake London to 125 on the ink for the Falcons. Nice hollow auto Falcons and Omar. Welcome to Jumbos, Omar. Nice hit, man. Drake London to 125 on the auto. 23 out of 125, Damian Pierce on the rook. Last pack, good luck. Blue, Joe Thomas and a Jalen Naylor. Thomas to 179. Let's recap it. Thomas, Eli, Pickett, Kyron, Jerome Ford, and Ojabo to 35. Christian Watson to 15. And Drake London to 125 on the auto going to Omar. Nice hit, Omar. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.